guys, welcome to Talking Money with Nosy, personal finance made simple. Today I've got exciting news, guys, because I've always had questions from people from outside of South Africa, in Africa of course, and they say we want to invest but we don't have access. I've got good news for you. So today I'm going to be showing you Interactive Brokers, which is a global investing platform which you'll probably be able to access if your country is not under sanctions. So if your country is under sanctions, unfortunately, you will not be able to access Interactive Brokers. And I'm going to quickly go through some African countries that have access to Interactive Brokers. So we've got Algeria, Angola. This is going to test my geography as well, guys. If I don't know African countries, it's going to be a disaster, right? Benin, Botswana, Cameroon, Chile, Cote d'Ivoire, Djibouti, Egypt, Equatorial Guinea, Eritrea, Eswatini, Gabon, Gambia, Ghana, Guinea and Guinea-Bissau, right? Kenya, Madagascar, Malawi, Mali, Mauritania, Mauritius. Is Mauritius part of Africa? I think so. Geography, guys. No? Morocco, Mozambique, Namibia, Niger, Zambia, Western Sahara, Uganda, Tunisia, Togo, South Africa, of course, Senegal, Rwanda. Okay, so those are the African countries that have access. If I missed any, please forgive me. And if you're not sure, you can come and check this list. I'm going to post the link to this list of countries in my description. So now, how do you open an account with Interactive Brokers? You can use my affiliate link. My affiliate link is in the description below. So what is an affiliate link? Basically, I've formed a partnership with Interactive Brokers to promote their platform, and they've given me a unique link that is unique to me. So please support me. Please support this channel by using the link. Of course, if you don't want to use the link, just go straight to www.interactivebrokers.com. Okay, so when you click on open account, this is what you're going to see. Email address, so you're going to have to fill in your personal details. Okay, so some of the parts I'll show you, but some with personal information I'm going to skip over, right? So after filling in your username, password, as well as your country, you have to click on create account. This is the message that you'll get. It says check your email and confirm your email address. So I need to log into my email address just to confirm that email that Interactive Brokers has just sent me. So let's just go in there. Let's confirm your email. Confirm. Your email is confirmed. You may close this page and return to the application page to finish opening your account. So that's done. All I need to do is go back. Then it says select an account type, and I'm going to select individual and then click on start application. Okay, then it takes you here. So now you need to fill in more of your personal information. I'm going to do that quickly. Okay, so here where it says base currency, you're going to leave it as United States dollar, USD. And then for security questions, you have to fill in security questions, 3 of them, and give answers. And of course, these are the questions that they're going to ask you. Let's say if you forget your password, lock yourself out of your account, you're going to have to remember those answers to the security questions. Enter the confirmation code that was sent to your mobile number. I'm still waiting for that confirmation code to come through. Let's have a look. Here we go. Continue. Okay, so under regulatory, it says configure your trading account. Where it says account type, choose cash. And then where it says income and worth, it says provide the financial information below, which will be used by our compliance department to determine whether you're eligible to trade the investment products you select now or in the future. So what is your annual net income in US dollars? You can use the online conversion, but make it an estimate, okay? So for example, if you don't know how to do this, let me just show you how to do it. If you type on Google USD ZAR exchange rate, ZAR means South African rand, right? So for example, what is the first question here? It says, what is your annual net income? So net income is the income after your taxes have been deducted, right? So if you don't know that figure, just approximate. So for example, if you make, let's say 300,000 Rand annually, that would be 15,945 USD, thereabout. So just choose. If it's less than 40, you select that. What is your net worth? Remember, your net worth is all of your assets minus your liabilities. So everything that you own, this is your cash, this is your investments, pension funds, your paid off house, your paid off car, everything that is yours, that is in your own name, it's fully owned by you. So liabilities are your debts. So subtract what you owe, and what you're left with is your net worth. Again, it's in USD. So let's say you've got a net worth of, I'm just going to give an example, of 700,000 Rand, then that means you've got a net worth of 37,205 US dollars. So you can select here and choose where you fall with your net worth. Liquid net worth. So liquid net worth means your net worth which is not tied up into, for example, like a house. So a house is an example of illiquid net worth. So liquid net worth would be things like your cash, because that's accessible, things like your shares, things that are easy to sell. So you can choose whatever is applicable to you. So I'll choose this one. Investment objectives and intended purpose of trading. Your choices below determine the investment products that you can be approved to trade. Check all that apply. Do you want preservation of capital and income generation, growth, hedging, profits from active trading and speculation? I want growth. Then where it says trading experience and permissions. So ignore where it says additional products. You don't really need that. Where it says stocks, okay, so you can choose your level of experience or select. How many years of experience do you have? I have about 5 years. Select trades per year. I'll choose 11 to 25. Select level of knowledge. I'll say good knowledge for myself, of course. Okay, so here where it says permissions to trade, it says global, trade in fractions, as well as the United States. So let's click on add and see. Okay, so this is giving you the locations where you can trade. So I'm going to just choose all of them because why not? Okay, then I'll choose later on exactly what I want to trade in. Okay, so I'll just choose everything and select save. So it'll give me permission to trade in all of these markets. Then options, I'm not going to be trading options or anything like that. Currency or Forex, permissions to trade. So if ever you want to trade currency or Forex, you have to select that as well. Regulatory information, other owners of or other non-owners listed on the account, that'll be no. Do the owners of or other non-owners listed on the account control a public traded company? Nope. Okay, I don't think I'm going to need all these account add-ons like stock yield enhancement program. How did you hear about us? I'm going to select social media and then click on continue. Okay, then it's going to say confirm your tax residence. So right here it says treaty benefit qualifications. I certify that I am a resident of the country below within the meaning of the income tax treaty between the United States and that country. So we do have tax treaties between South Africa and the United States. So I'm going to choose the first option and select South Africa. Declaration of tax residency, already done that, as well as my tax number. Then it says other declarations. The selected trading permissions require the following declarations. Australian tax certification. Does the account holder qualify for Australian? Yes, I think we do. As South Africa, we do. Canadian, same thing. I think we do have tax treaties. So just select all of that. US Internal Revenue Service certification. Okay, so I'm going to type in my name. It says exactly as shown. By checking this box, you consent. Yes, and then click on continue.